Hi guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your GitHub account. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search github.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on GitHub's website. Be sure that you're logged in to your account, then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left of your screen. There you'll see the option of settings. Go to settings. After you land on your settings page, under account settings, there you'll see the option of account. Tap on it. Scroll down and at the bottom you'll see the option of delete your account. Tap on it. After that you'll have to enter your username or your email address that is linked to your account. Then to verify you're a human and not a robot, type delete my account. When you are done, tap on cancel plan and delete this account. This way you can delete your GitHub account. Now your repositories and your content will be deleted from the system. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.